Okay, so this is the type of package that you're often checking the tracking progress because you're that excited to finally have it. Once I got it, sure enough, it did exceed my expectations, starting with the quality. Once I laid all the seat covers out, I realized how easy this is going to be to assemble because they do have label tags, so there's minimum to no confusion as to where the seat cover should go. And here's my car. As you can see, it's very light in color. And when you're a mom and a dog mom, light colors are a problem. As you can see, I have all these stains here already from the kids. And don't even get me started on the installation process because it's very easy. I am the type of mom that likes to take my kids everywhere with me, even if that means I'll take them somewhere where they're going to get dirty. And that's when these seat covers come in handy. It even comes with this armrest cover, which is perfect to me because mine is made out of fabric. And guys, this is the final look to these seat covers. They look amazing. They feel the way that they should. They looked exactly the way that I expected them to look based on the pictures. So if you're considering to get some seat covers, I'm telling you right now, this is it. And now it's time to go take my dog for a ride. So let's go.